Hey everyone, welcome back to Fence. Today, we're diving into the latest wood fence trends for 2024. Whether you're planning a new installation or just looking for some inspiration, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Wood fences are timeless and versatile, but like everything, they evolve with the times. Here are the 2024 top trends for wood fences. Trend 1. Sustainable wood options. First up, sustainability is making a big splash in 2024. Homeowners are increasingly opting for eco-friendly wood options. Look for sustainably sourced woods like reclaimed lumber or FSC-certified varieties. Not only do they help the environment, but they also add a unique character to your fence. Trend 2. Mixed materials. Next, let's talk about mixing materials. Combining wood with metal or stone is a hot trend this year. This fusion creates a modern, yet rustic look that's both durable and stylish. You might see wooden panels paired with metal posts or stone bases. Trend 3. Bold stains and finish. Bold colors and finish are also in vogue. Dark stains like charcoal or deep navy are gaining popularity, offering a dramatic contrast against greenery. On the other hand, natural and transparent finishes are perfect for showcasing the wood's grain. Trend 4. Custom designs and patterns. Custom designs and unique patterns are another trend. Think vertical and horizontal slats in alternating arrangements, or even geometric patterns. Customization allows you to create a fence that's a true reflection of your style. Trend 5. Technology integration. Technology is making its way into fencing too. Smart fences with integrated lighting or automated gates are becoming more common. These high-tech features add convenience and a touch of modernity to your fence. So there you have it with fence trends for 2024. Whether you're going for a sustainable option, mixing materials, or incorporating tech, there's a trend out there to match your style. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Let us know in the comments which trend you're most excited about. Should you require professional help, contact us on this number or on our website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.